Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today will be another studio vlog. I wanted to hop on camera and show you guys the Patreon rewards for this month, and also to announce that I am having a giveaway this week. So basically I wanted to give some things to you guys to say thank you for watching my videos and for supporting me. And the giveaway will be open for the US and Europe only, unfortunately. I will show you guys what you can get in the giveaway, and then I will share the rules with you as well. So I wanted to include something that's pretty personal in the giveaway. So I will be giving away a custom pet portrait. This is just an example of how it will look, but the winner will receive a custom pet portrait of their pet. It can be up to 3 pets in one portrait, so if you do have multiple pets, you can totally enter. It will look something like this. It will be A5 in size and you will get the original painting. I also wanted to include some stuff from my shop, so you will be getting this tiger notebook, which is pocket-sized, this magnetic shopping list, which you can put on your fridge. It has a magnetic back to it, 2 sticker sheets, the one with the autumn feels, little babies sticker sheet with small animals, 2 die-cut stickers, the bird one and this plant one, button pin with this otter, and also washi tape. So all of these will be included in the giveaway prize. And to enter, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, you have to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my newsletter in my shop. So I will link all the steps you need to take to enter the giveaway. I also will be needing a comment from you guys letting me know that you are entering and that you have completed all of the steps. And I will be announcing the winner in next week's video and contacting them through email and then doing the pet portrait. And after that, I will send everything out to you. So if you're interested, please do enter. I wish you all good luck. And now I will show you the Patreon rewards for this month. If you don't know, Patreon is a platform where you can support me by donating however much amount of money you want per month, and you get all sorts of benefits. You get digital benefits such as monthly wallpapers or behind the scenes, sometimes exclusive videos. You also get monthly art mail, which I will show you what the art mail is for this month in a minute. And I also do custom pet portraits over there as well, but they are in digital form, and the higher tiers do get a print of them. This month's Patreon rewards will include this print with magical shelves, which is also the monthly wallpaper for January. They will also include the sun catcher sticker, which I made in a recent video. You can see how I made these in my studio. I also made these custom bookmarks, which have a golden tassel on them, and you can use them while reading. And for the higher tiers, which do receive original artwork each month, I made these 2 block prints. So these will be going out to higher tiers. There's only 1 spot left in the tier that gets monthly original art, so do check it out if you want to join. This is pretty much what I wanted to share in this video. You will be seeing me pack up Patreon rewards and painting this pet portrait in this video, just so you get an idea of what you can receive. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So do enter the giveaway if you are interested, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!